my name is Jillian P. Esperagoza. I'm going to do dissimilar fractions. 3/4 plus 3/6 is equal to 6 times 3 is equal to 18. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 6 is equal to 24. 18 plus 12 is equal to 30. My final answer is 30 over 24. 2/3 plus 3/4 is equal to 4 times 2 is equal to 8. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. My final answer is 17 over 12. 2/5 plus 3/7 is equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 5 times 3 is equal to 15. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. 14 plus 15 is equal to 29. My final answer is 29 over 35. 2/4 plus 3/7 is equal to 7 times 2 is equal to 14. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 14 plus 12 is equal to 26. My final answer is 26 over 28.
Sa mga magulang na interesadong mag-join sa aming program, search lang po sa FB IVFC Tutorials, Inquiry and Registration. Ito ay isang libreng servisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.